Meaning of goog.
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 Goog. The word goog can have several meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. In British English, goog can be used as a slang term for an egg. It can also be used to refer to a large marble or a trinket. In American English, goog is not a commonly used word, but it can be used as a nonsense word or a baby talk word for good. The word goog is also the informal name of the popular search engine Google. The name Google is a play on the word Google, which is a mathematical term for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros.